Hi, Riley. Hi. Oh, I guess that. Here's Jameson. Hi, Jameson. What's up? He came and brought me this ball. Oh, the camera's back on you, pretty girl. Oh, what are you doing? You're crazy. You better get back in there. I'm probably just as wet as she is. She splashed so much water on me. Alright, I guess it's time to get out of the bath. Ah! It is time, isn't it? It's time to say hi to everybody.